harder than this guy's a little more your size.
Okay.
Right in the manageable range. Yep, he's the perfect size for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, you need to stop kicking, mister.
It's okay.
Actually, when he's trying to walk away is a good time.
Really?
Really? Means he's headed to another direction. He's not turning around eating you.
Okay, so give him the walk then. There, maybe.
Okay. Gotta do it.
Okay, he's starting to walk. Go!
Okay.
I mean, right as I kind of pull back's a good time.
Right as you pull back.
Right as I pull back. Go.
He doesn't know what I'm coming.
Go.
Nope, he doesn't know you're coming, so you gotta
Go.
element of surprise. You gotta do it quick before he figures it out.
Good job. Good job. You got it. You got it.
It's your weight.
Sit down on him. Hold him there. Go ahead and sit back. Lean him back. There you go. Sit back. Sit down on him. Sit on him. Sit on him. Good job.
Good job.
On that tail.